Hi guys, this is Kurt De Los Reyes and get ready to take a bath with me. I use bar soap from body wash. For me, Head and Shoulders talaga yung the best OG shampoo para sa akin. Lamig siya sa ulo pero nakakawala rin siya ng unwanted smell and dandruff. First thing I do before taking a bath is I remove my accessories. I put them here on my accessory pool. And then after that, I lit up my candle. I just put a generous amount of oil. Always add this gua sha on my routine kasi it does not only do lymphatic drainage but it improves blood circulation, helps my face keep informed, and then after that I just wash my face. After I'm done washing my face, aminin nyo, sobrang lakas makaasim ng ulo yung init, no? Maliligo lang muna ako and I'll get back to you guys. Yes, gusto ko lang i-share sa inyo kung ano yung mga gamit ko sa aking bath routine. I use bar soap body wash. I double cleanse always. I-share ko lang sa inyo yung personal favorite hair care routine ko ngayong tag-init. Kasi syempre, yung ulo natin babag sa init, sabi ni pawis. Ang itchy lagi yung scalp ko, tapos yung pala, dandruff na. For me, Head and Shoulders talaga yung the best OG shampoo. Not only malamig siya sa ulo, pero nakakawala rin siya ng unwanted smell and dandruff. Kung may dandruff ka rin, maybe you're not using it right. Kasi ang paggamit ko ng Head and Shoulders, minamassage ko siya for like 30 seconds and I leave it there for a few minutes para mawala yung dandruff-causing germs. Bango din siya sa scent and clean scalp lagi yung pakiramdam. Now we're all done, set and clean. Thank you so much for coming with me. Now you know my bath routine. Till next time. Bye guys!